everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm sharing with you guys something a little bit different. I am actually in my living room sharing with you guys my haul because I got so much stuff I did not want to carry it downstairs. I could not sleep at all last night. I don't know why. I don't know if it was because of the storm that was happening, or I was just so excited for 90% off. I'm also seeing the Backstreet Boys tonight, you guys. I'm so excited on that. So it was just a little bit of everything. It is now like 10 in the morning, almost 11, and I've been up since 4, and I'm still going strong. I don't even know if I can take a nap tonight, so we're hoping for the adrenaline rush to come. But I have all this stuff surrounded with me to share with you guys what I got. Now, I'm just going to go by what's on my receipts because I didn't want to feel like writing things down. Now, I went to a 24-hour store this morning. I went there right when it was dark out, and that store was completely packed, and he's like, yeah, 2 other ladies were here in the middle of the night, took a bunch of stuff, and I'm like, really? They didn't even put a dent in it. They had a ton of pool stuff, but I don't need a lot of pool stuff. And then I went to another store that I go to down the road. I was only there 4 minutes after the store opened, and there was 2 people already there, filled their carts already full, but I came in there for 1 item, and I got exactly what I wanted, so I was pretty excited for that. And then I went to another store, because I know that store doesn't get shopped, but there was another person, she's like, just to let you know, this stuff's 90% off. I says, oh yeah, I already know all this stuff, but I'm here to just dig in and share with you guys what I got. Yeah, so what I ended up getting is, sorry you guys, I ended up getting this XT batting tee. Now this thing, I'm sorry, I can't remember how much this cost. I think it was like $9.99. Oh, let's see. This was $12.99, and I got this for, you guys would get this for $1.29. I thought this was great. My store only had 2 of them, so I'm like, I'm going to get 2 of them anyways because we're going to give this to somebody for a birthday gift, or anybody can have this, but I thought it's kind of cool. It comes with 1 foam baseball, a bat, and a batting tee, so I thought that's kind of cool, so I did get 2 of those for $1.29. That is a great deal. I also got one of these pools. I've been eyeing up one of these pools for a very long time. Now, this was originally $24.99, and I got this for $2.49. So I ended up getting 3 of them, and the reason why I got so many of these is because I pretty much plan on using them one summer and then throwing them away. I wanted to get these last summer, but they didn't have any, but I'm just so excited to finally get these pools. They're heavy, so I left the other 2 in the garage, but I mean, for $2.49 for an inflatable pool, I think that is a great deal. I ended up getting this little water truck. This one was, they wanted $9.99 for this, like 10 bucks for this, and I got it for 99 cents. So I was pretty excited about that. I thought this is a good toy for Ben to just play outside. I don't want this inside. I'm going to have him play with it. He can do whatever he wants with it, but if he breaks it, whatever. You know, I got it super cheap, so I was excited for that little truck. This is something I was really excited for. I didn't see this anywhere until the 3rd store I went to, but this is a frosted donut little pool. I thought these are super cute. I thought this is a great little pool to have on the deck. This was originally, I think, what did they want this for? They wanted this to be, I want to say $45. This originally was $24.99. They wanted 25 bucks for this little pool. You guys would get this for $2.49. So I bought 2 of them because they're super cute, and these are name brand stuff. So had to get that. This reminds me of The Simpsons, the donut. I ended up getting this Wubble. I was pretty excited to get this. I've always wanted to try this with Benjamin. Now the Wubble was, let's see, how much was this? This was originally $8.99, I think. Yeah. No, I don't even know how much it costs. I paid 33 cents for this. So maybe this was $3.99. I don't know. I got this a little bit cheaper because of the discount, but I got 2 of those for Benjamin. Got this little Nerf baseball or basketball thing. This was actually not marked. This was, hold on, my alarm's going off. This was marked, how much did I get this for? I got this for $4.99. So this was just 50 cents, 49 cents for this. I did get another one, but I thought that was a pretty good deal. This is going in the bin, you know, for future birthday parties. So I got that. I got this like pickleball thing. I thought these were kind of cool for Ben to play with. So these were originally $8.99, what says the regular price. So you guys would get these for 89 cents. So I thought these are kind of cool if Ben wants to, you know, hit some balls and stuff. And these are easy to find in case we lose it. And if it goes down our sewer, our drain, we can just find it in the backyard later on. So they're super easy to find for him. I got a baseball mitt. I forget, I think he's left-handed, but right now we don't really know what he is. But I ended up getting this for, why can't I find this stuff? I just got so much stuff, you guys. This was $9.99. So you guys would get this for 99 cents if you guys got that. My store had a couple of them, but I thought it was pretty good, you know. And if not, we can always give it to somebody for a gift or like Toys for Tots or something. Here's my other Nerf ball or Nerf basketball thing I got. Now I got these water squirter toys for Miss Charlotte for the bathtub. These were, I think these were like 99 cents. I got so much stuff. But these I think were like 99 cents. Why can't I find this super fast? Squirter toys. Sorry, you guys. Yeah, I don't know how much I paid for these. But I ended up getting 2 of these for Miss Charlotte, so I thought those were pretty good. And that was another bag. I found this cool beach towel. I was excited about this. This is a round beach towel. It was originally $15, so I got it for $1.50. I thought this is great if we ever want to go to the beach, and I got a big extra towel for us to sit on instead of, you know, just sitting on other things. I also got this little swim school swimming suit for Miss Charlotte for when she is old enough to go swimming. I ended up getting this for this was $19.99, so I got it for $1.99. I think that is a great price for a little swimming suit. So we got that. I found a fanny pack. I thought this was kind of cool. I'm debating if I should wear this tonight or not, but this was $10, so you get this for $1. I love the iridescent, and fanny packs are back, so I thought that's kind of cool, so I ended up getting that. Now I ended up getting these Swimways baby floats. I have a couple friends, you know, that can definitely use these, so I ended up getting these for, these were $19.99. You guys would get this for $1.99. Yeah, $1.99 for this. So I ended up getting 3 of those to give to people, so I thought that was a pretty good deal. I mean, we bought one of these for Benjamin when he was a baby, and I paid regular price for that. Found this little Smart Sun little hat for Miss Charlotte. I thought that was super cute to have. I got this for, was this the hat? This was $7.99. They wanted this hat, so I got this for 79 cents. Super cute. Found these little sprinklers. I think these were $10. I got this. I thought this is a cute little sprinkler set for Benjamin to have. Our neighbor actually has one of these, and the kids play with it. So you would have gotten this for 99 cents. I did get 2 of them because I thought in case one gets ruined, we can still have another one to play with. I also got these little big buckets. Now we have a splash pad near us, and I thought these are great for Ben to bring to the splash pad, so I just got one of these little buckets. These buckets I think were like, what did I say they were? These were $3.99, so you guys would get this for 39 cents. 39 cents for a big bucket with a shovel, so I thought those were great for Ben to play at the splash pad. Ended up getting a soccer ball. I thought this would be a good gift to give to somebody for a gift. I got this for, what is it? I think it was $9.99. Yeah, $9.99. You guys would get this for 99 cents. It's a great thing to have. Now, some of their school supplies are also 99% off, so I had him scan this. This was originally, I don't know if there's a price on here, $14.99. I got this for $1.49. Now it came with a lunchbox and a backpack. Now this actually feels like a decent quality. We do have a backpack for Ben. We've had it for a while, but in case, you know, he wants to change it up, we do have a matching backpack for him. And then I went crazy. I ended up buying 10 of these Jumbo Jacks. I thought these were great. I think these were like $1. What did I buy these for? These were originally $1.99, so you guys would get these for 19 cents. So these are definitely going in the little goodie bags that I get for the birthday parties. So I got 10 of those, and then I ended up getting the big giant chalk because big giant chalk is awesome. This was $1.99. So you guys would get this for 19 cents also. So I thought, pretty good deal for chalk for the kids. Sorry, I'm like sitting on my legs and it hurts to sit down. I got a couple more bags. I was so excited. My store had the Nerf blasters, you guys. I was so excited for that. I really like these ones. These were originally $9.99. Got them for 99 cents. So I ended up getting, I think it was one of these, and then I got a different Super Soaker, and these were marked at $9.99 also. So these are the Super Soaker washout. So I ended up getting those. Those are great for next summer with Mr. Benjamin, because I just can't wait to have, you know, have water balloon fights with them and water gun fights. So there's that. I ended up getting myself some silver pair of sandals. These were originally 10 bucks. I got them for $1, you guys, and they're actually pretty good. I really like the glitter, so I ended up getting that. I ended up getting this giant inflatable noodle. I was actually thinking of Benjamin and I could have a noodle fight, you know, like, you know, boom, boom, boom. I ended up getting 2 of these. I think these were, oh, how much was this one? I don't remember how much this price was. I think, oh, the squirt toys were $5.99. They wanted those squirt toys. That's crazy. That's crazy. But I ended up getting this lip balm for, lip balm. I don't even know how much I paid for it. I think these were like $6.99, I think is what the price was. So I think I got these for like 69 cents. 69 cents, whatever. But you guys can check. I did get 2 of those, so pretty excited for that. I was so excited to get this. Like, one store I knew had them, and I really wanted these because we just ended up getting one of these little guns with my Michael's mystery bags that I got. So these were originally $9.99, and I got them for 99 cents. So I was pretty excited about them. I just took everything they had because I thought you can't go wrong with Nerf guns. And plus, if we ever find a Nerf gun to go with these, I can always give these as gifts to some of the kids that Ben goes to school with. So I ran out of reusable bags, you guys. And a lot of you guys are asking where I get my reusable bags at. I got them at IKEA. I use these like crazy. I ended up getting these goggles. I don't even know how much these goggles were, you guys. Like, I remembered it a couple hours ago, but no idea. I think these were like 52 cents, or what I paid. These were probably $6.99. Probably got them for 69 cents, I think, for those. I ended up getting another pair of goggles, but got that one too for Benjamin. I don't remember the price on those. Here is another inflatable pool noodle. Miss Charlotte's like, Mom. I ended up getting these little swim diaper for Miss Charlotte. Thought these were cool. I think these were like 29. I don't even know how much I paid for them, but I'm just gonna share with you guys so this doesn't make it as a long video. Now, they had a ton of air pumps. I thought this was a great deal. These were originally, I think, $12.99, I think. So you guys would get this for $1.29 is what I think the price for these were. I don't remember. Miss Charlotte's in the background if you guys hear her stumbling, but got an air pump because I got all those inflatables. And then I went crazy over the bubbles. Now, these were originally $4.99, and they came out to be 49 cents a piece. So I did get a bunch of them. I think I got like 10 of them because, again, I'm going to do these for little gift bags for the birthday parties that we're going to go to. For Charlotte's birthday party and then for Ben's. So I ended up going crazy over those little bubbles. And I got more bubbles. And then I ended up getting this PJ Masks, and I got this Marshall bulb thing. I think what you do is you just lift it up and it does bubbles. I thought that was super cute, so Benjamin can play with one and we can get one. These are originally $9.99. You guys get these for 99 cents. So these are great items. I have a friend who's obsessed with PJ Masks, so I thought maybe if he's still into those, I could give those to a gift. And then I kind of went crazy and I bought some clothes because I thought, you know what, I'm sick of buying stuff for all the kids. I ended up finding this little like gray dress. I thought this was kind of cool to wear. This was originally $15 and I got it for $1.50, so I thought that'd be a good little sundress for me to wear in the summer. I found a pair of shorts, which I was just like pretty excited for. These are like shorts to wear at the pool. These were originally, again, $15. I paid $1.50 for some good shorts to wear. I also found this little cute little top. Now this could be like a little summer cover up or whatever. I thought this was cute. I mean, I could just wear this as a regular dress if I wanted to with jeans. This was $15 and I got it for $1.50. And then I found this little cute little dress also, again, $15, and I got it for $1.50. So I was pretty excited about the clothes that I got. And then I found this. I've been eyeing this up for a while. I actually wanted to get Ben these. But these I got, I think these were $7.99 originally. So you guys would get this for 79 cents. So I thought that was kind of good to get him something like that. And then the rest of it. And then I got this, and I think this was like, I don't remember. What did I pay for this one? I got 3 different receipts I have to look at. I ended up getting this little squirt toy for, this is 39 cents. You guys would get that for 39 cents. So that was everything that I got. I ended up getting a total of 86 items. I know I went a little crazy, but I couldn't pass it up. And I paid with pretty much all my points. I hardly paid anything for cash out of pocket. I paid with points for pretty much everything. But everything that you guys saw here, it ended up coming to $62.97. So out of 3 stores, that is all the stuff that I got. I did not even clear the shelves. My store had a ton of stuff, and that was just a portion of what I got. But if you guys enjoyed this Walgreens 90% haul, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know that you guys enjoyed this, and definitely check out your store. Majority of this, like probably 99% of the stores are 90% off right now. There are some stores that are not. But definitely check them out, and you guys have to like go in the next like day or so because they get rid of them if they don't sell them in the next day or so. So keep checking. If you have to call around, go for it. But again, please give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys all Sunday for my Walgreens haul. See you guys later. Bye bye.